Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the CalMyotis corner protector. In the packaging, there are 12 silicone corner protectors. On the back, the materials are PVC silicone, they are phthalate-free, lead-free, and BPA-free. The package includes the 12 corner protectors and 36 high-powered adhesives, and there are some installation instructions. When opening the package, we find the 36 high-powered adhesive strips. There are two sizes, consisting of 12 larger ones and 24 smaller ones. These adhesives stick onto both the corner protector and the desired corner of application. Here is one of the corner protector pieces. Right here is my bedroom closet in the attic, and the ceiling slopes downwards. So when I open my closet to get my precious clothing, they sometimes hit the ceiling, producing dents that I cannot remove from my memories. Now this is where the CalMyotis corner protector comes in clutch and saves the day. As you can see, it fits very well. Now let's get those adhesives on. For each corner protector, there's one large and two smaller sized adhesives. First, apply the adhesives on the corner protector, pressing and rubbing them in to make sure they are on firmly. On the top side of the adhesives is a sheet you will need to peel off before applying it to the corner. And voila, the corner protector is ready. Make sure the corner is clean before you do anything. The application itself is simple. You just line up the corner protector with the corner and press it down to make sure it seals firmly. And that, my friend, is how you apply the CalMyotis corner protector. Let's see it in action. When contacting the ceiling, the cushioning protects the dents and prevents any further damage. Another more common area to use this product is on table corners. For example, this could be applied on my wooden countertop corner that I use as a computer table. One thing I did not realize right away was how these corner protectors would affect my closet doors from closing. As you can tell, they prevent my closet from closing completely. This is not an issue for me because I often leave them open or ajar, but this may not be the case for you, so keep that in mind. Overall, I am very happy with the ease of use and functionality of these corner protectors. Check out my Amazon affiliate link to this product below in the descriptions, and do not forget to comment with any questions you have. Please subscribe and
smash that like button, baby.
Thanks for watching.